There's one elevator over there, 2 over there, and 4 would be here, but there's only 3. That one gone.
Ground floor going up.
Aurora button for the 5th floor. These don't go to 6. Way too slow.
Fifth floor.
Get that other voice to come up. Okay, it's not. Interesting floor indicator right there. These are nothing special, just your typical parking structure elevator, all stainless steel cab. Actually, we parked on the 2nd floor, so we're gonna stop at 2. That's the travel cable.
Second floor going down.
So look at this right here. If you come around, oh, you can't really see it, but the doors are glued together. See? That's interesting. But anyway, that's it.